What's up, everybody? How you guys doing? My name is Dominique, and welcome to Marketing with the Dom. If you don't know me, I've been doing marketing for over 7+ years, and I jumped into the OnlyFans niche because I was literally seeing it change people's lives. So I need you to do me a favor. Please subscribe to this page if you're thinking about joining OnlyFans. Please make sure you comment down below. If you're thinking about joining OnlyFans and you haven't joined yet, I'm going to tell you this first off. Join my team. My referral link is down below. Then get a hold of me and we'll give you free shout outs and all the courses I have 100% free. Okay, but if you already have an OnlyFans and you're just now getting started, I have a course that's $25 a month and I'm giving away all the juice. I'm breaking down some of the other platforms that are crushing it, showing you exactly what they're doing, how to do a free subscription, how to do a paid subscription, what's the difference, how do you start from completely nothing. So a couple things that go on immediately when you start with my group and my coaching is the first thing I give you is the PDF. The PDF is an outline of how you find the place you want to go on OnlyFans, how you find your niche, how you find your name, how you do everything and put it all together before you even get ready to start so you have a brand that you can represent. 2, I talk about Instagram, how I get traffic, how I use hashtag, and how I have my Instagram literally growing. Right now, for one of my clients, I want to get the number straight. You know, I don't want to not give you the exact number that is happening. I want to give you the exact number. We're at 19,500 now, but when I first started, it was at like 2,000. But let's check this out. Let's see what she's growing per day right now, or per week. Let's see what the weekly growth is. Let's go to Direct Insight. I want to show you guys the actual facts. Right now, 3,000 followers a week she is growing. Look at that. Can you see that? 3,000 followers a week. Okay, and then the second thing is we talk about Twitter domination, which is how do you run contests and stuff like that to really kill it. We also go in depth and we're getting even more on how to set up your OnlyFans as a whole so it's the best. I'm now building out PDFs and sheets and forms and stuff like that as well to get you direct case-by-case studies from some of the best people on the platform. The other things that I've been able to do is purchase other people's OnlyFans, break down the marketing strategy, and then I'm going to be putting that as well in the group as well. So my question today is, first of all, if you're really looking to grow and you're making zero money, this is the best platform for you. I'm telling you, to start you off from nothing. But if you're already making $5,000 or $6,000 and you're trying to get to $10,000, this is also the platform for you. I go through and show you what I'm doing, and it's only going to grow every single day. I'm also looking for more coaches, people who are already in the industry, wanting to show and help other people to join my team to teach segments on OnlyFans, how they grew it, and it can be the most comprehensive platform period when it comes down to OnlyFans coaching. I can't wait to see you on the other side. It's your boy DB Live in the building with Marketing with Dom. I know it's a short video. Please make sure you comment down below and join my OnlyFans referral if you don't have one, and you get free coaching. Everything's free for you. For the people who are just now joining or already have one, maybe you can restart it if you want. If you want to restart it and join my affiliate link, hit me up and you want all my information for free and you haven't made $1 yet, that is 100% possible as well. And we're going to really get this started. Please make sure you comment down below. Tell me thank you, what's up, hit me up, anything. And please hit that subscribe button, the little ring bell on the corner, ring, because that is the opportunity of a lifetime to get updates every time I get on these platforms. I appreciate everyone. You guys have a blessed day. You ladies, you fellas, you peoples out there, everyone's crushing it. Let's go.